There are two types of Instagram users, the regular guys and the pro Instagram guys. The regular guys just come in, post, and get out there. But the pro guys, they make their profile look like this. Now, this is called the split Instagram grid. If you want to learn how to do that and join Team Pro Instagram users, stick around. I'll show you how. I use this app called 9square, which Shaliwa told me about actually. Big shout out to Shaliwa. With 9square, you can split your large pictures into a small number of square pictures for use on Instagram. So this app is available for download for both Android and iOS users. Once you download the app from your app store, open the app and then click on the picture icon on the home page. Select your picture and you can just play around with the options provided. So this one, we have 3x1, 3x2, 3x3, 3x4, and 3x5. So for this picture, I'm going to be using, let's use 3x4. Oh no, 3x3. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. So once you selected your grid size, tap on crop, which is found at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can either save the pictures to your device or you post directly to Instagram. But keep in mind that when you choose to post directly to Instagram, only the first picture will be posted and you have to post the rest manually. If you're saving to your device, you just need to enter an album name. Let's name it ice cream. Saved, and let's go to the gallery and see what it looks like. Yep. And this is what it looks like. This is how it's going to look like on Instagram actually. So you can just begin posting the pictures one after the other like that. So there you have it. Welcome to your Instagram popping season. I know you found this video useful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, if you'd like to learn more Instagram hacks, let me know in the comment section. Bye!